now let's change. More people should try, don't you think so? Who would like to try it? Okay, let's go for the first. Can you give it? Thank you.
Can you change color?
Okay, change color for you. Colors. Yes, press the white keys.
Okay.
And now, then, second is for you. Second is,
What kind of brand is this computer? What brand?
it changes
No,
video.
what brand? What brand? No, marca, la marca, el tipo de computadora.
Ah, eso es igual, es Android o iOS.
Tablet, right?
Yes, a tablet, Android or iOS, Apple, vamos.
Apple?
Sí.
Android, Apple?
Android or Apple, yes.
Okay.
Ok. ¿Os apetece? Este es más complicado, este para ti.
Esta está complicada.
Pero que tú quieres que yo pelee.
Sí, yo lo diré. Ahora lo vamos a hacer una práctica. Lo vamos a hacer una práctica. Ahí es la barra horizontal y la barra vertical. It's just pressing whatever you want.
¿Esto se puede usar?
Sí, pero hay que instalar una cosa. Hay que instalar una... Esa es la 3. Yo ahora lo diré, ahora lo repetiré. And fourth, who would like to try fourth? Se ha ido. I would like the chroma. Oh, you would like the chroma. This is not the chroma.
No, it's not.
No. Last song, the chroma for you. We have one more.
Whatever you need me to do.
Okay, if you want to wait for the last song, you can do the chroma for the last song, and I want you to do that because very special song. Who the blending? Okay, let's revise. I'm going to play and let's do a practice. Ana, bueno, o Héctor, if you want, is one. It's keyboard. Yes. Peter, por favor, please, can you change the... Okay. It's one. Okay, then you press keys, the white keys, and then you will see how the colors change. You see, red. Yellow, black, blue, wherever. Then you listen to the music. This is a very, very nice music, you will see. And just change as you feel, okay? And then we will say 2, and we will go for the second tablet, you. Second tablet, you are you, and you press whatever button you want. Yes, any. It's 8 videos that are here, and wherever. They are 5 videos and the camera from them.
So press whatever number.
Whatever, and you see, you like it, you change it, whatever you want to do. It's okay. It's second. And then third, this is the chroma key color. This is from black to white. Sorry. Or in the reverse, I don't remember. Yeah. And if you put that in the middle, this is all the rainbow colors. Okay? This is third. And fourth is mixing 3 videos. On top of these 2, another one. And different kinds of mixing videos. Okay? And then when I say like this, with both hands, is everybody getting crazy.
Also for the main switch?
No, es 4. 4 is the maximum.
O sea, para todos.
4 is all. I mean, sí. Sí, porque mezcla todo. Yes. 4 mixes everything. if one person is doing things, you will see one thing. But when I do like this, it's everybody is 4. Yes, it's 4. It's typically 4. And if the song is long, we can say like, well, like I have been done before. I changed to 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay. Okay, black. We start on black. And now, Suwei Tseng and Jakub Polaksik are going to perform for us the cello sonata second movement from Dmitri Sostakovich. Thank you so much.